Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a really quick project share. I just wanted to share some cards that I made before I put them in the boxes, because I have 2 outgoing Happy Mail boxes, and I wanted to go ahead and post the cards that I made before they get sent. So Monday is a good mail day for me because it's right next door. The post office is right next door to my daughter's tumbling class. I literally can walk there. So it's the reason why I tend to go on Mondays. But I am using this Witching You Cutest. It is called Witching You Cutest. I was wondering if I typed it wrong on my little thing up there. Witching You Cutest. It's by Darcy's Heart and Home. I don't have the tin pins. I don't know if there's tin pins that went with this, but I did get this from, I want to say, the Not Too Shabby shop. And so I used both of these images along with 2 of the sentiments. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is the first card that I have. And then this card, I am using the My Mind's Eye paper. And that is, I think that's an older paper pad. This one right here called Something Wicked. Really, really like that paper pad. That came in a warehouse box that I did with My Mind's Eye probably about 6 months ago. And so I just used that for the background along with, I used my favorite Catherine Cat Scrappiness die set to do the mat with the same paper from that collection, as well as cutting out the spider web from this stamp set that I got from Recollections Halloween stamp set. And this is actually in my current giveaway. So it's my last Halloween giveaway. It's currently one of the little prizes in there. And so this is what it looks like when it's cut out. Super duper cute. Cuts really nicely. Spiderweb, a good size for cards. And then I went ahead and stamped her out, cut her out by hand. I don't have any dies for this. Colored her with Copics and popped her up on some pop dots. And then I took a spider from the Recollections, these right here, these Tiny Treasures Halloween that everyone had been hauling. I got a pack of those as well. And I happen to have my hot glue gun out for another project, so I was able to hot glue the spider right on there. And so in this case, I don't mind when it makes those little spider webby glue strings, because then it kind of looks like spider web. Normally I'm just annoyed and try to get them off, but for this it's fine. And then I went ahead and used some of my handmade flowers up here at the top. Just made a little cluster. And then the inside of the card's very simple. It just says Witching You the Cutest, Sweetest Halloween, and then just a strip of scrap here at the bottom. And then this card, it's using the same paper collection. It's also using a handmade rosette that I made along with this 31 ephemera. It actually is from My Mind's Eye, and they call it confetti. It's called My Mind's Eye confetti. I absolutely love this confetti. It was definitely pricey. I did get it on clearance, part of their warehouse sale they had online, but it's a 100-piece confetti. I think it was normally like $7 or $8. I probably never would have bought it otherwise at that price, but it came down to, I believe, $3, and it was really, really worth it. The things in here are just really nice, cute, high quality. So I just stuck that right on there, and I have my cute little ghost from this stamp set up here, colored with some Copics, and then I outlined the ghost with some of my favorite things, which is stickles. In this case, I used the diamond stickles. I keep this one upside down right close by because I use that one quite often. And so there's that card. And then inside, it's Trick or Treat, give me something cute to eat. So if you're watching this as I first put it up, I will have a link to my giveaway. It is my last Halloween giveaway. I may or may not add some additional goodies depending on if I find any at Tuesday morning or around. I might throw some extra little goodies in there since it is the last one. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.